Step 1. Find a suitable position and mark first. Step 2. Position the drill bit at the marked location. Step 3. Place the expansion pipes into the hole by gently tapping it with a hammer or mallet until it is not protruding from the wall surface. Step 4. Tighten the screws after aligning the holes. It is recommended to first tighten the 2 screws below to initially secure the product. Note, if the screws don't tighten, you can stuff something hard, such as a dowel/wire into the expansion tube hole to keep the screws secure.